Do your English sentences sound too short or boring? For example, I have a cat. There's nothing wrong with this sentence, but it doesn't tell us much. What if you could make it more interesting? I have a friendly white cat that loves to sleep on my bed. See the difference? In today's lesson, you'll learn how to turn simple sentences into better, clearer, and more interesting ones. Let's get started. Start with a simple sentence. Every good sentence starts with a simple idea. For example, I like tea. She reads books. We play cricket. My brother studies. These are correct sentences, but they're very basic. Now let's improve them. Add describing words. One of the easiest ways to improve your writing is by adding adjectives. Instead of saying, I have a car, say, I have a small blue car. Instead of, she bought a dress, say, she bought a beautiful red dress. More examples. A tall building, a delicious meal, a happy family, a quiet classroom. These small words make your writing more colorful. Add more details. Now answer questions like when, where, why, how. Look at this example. I study English. If we add more detail then, I study English every evening at home because I want to speak fluently. Another example. Simple. They played football. Improved with more detail. They played football in the park after school with their friends. The more useful details you add, the stronger your sentence becomes. Use connecting words. Connecting words help your writing flow naturally. Some useful connectors are and, but, because, so, although. Examples. I wanted to go outside, but it started raining. She studies every day because she wants to become a doctor. I was tired, so I went to bed early. These words make your writing sound more natural and connected. Avoid repeating the same words. Many beginners repeat the same words again and again. For example, the movie was good. The actors were good. The ending was good. A better version is, the movie was excellent. The actors were talented. And the ending was unforgettable. Try using different words to make your writing more interesting. Let's improve these sentences together. Sentence 1. I have a dog. Improved. I have a friendly brown dog that loves playing in the garden. Sentence 2. She studies. Improved sentence. She studies English every morning because she wants to get a better job. Now it's your turn. Improve this sentence. I like books. Writing better sentences isn't about using difficult English. It's about adding clear details, choosing better words, and connecting your ideas smoothly. Remember these 4 simple tips. Start with a clear sentence. Add descriptive words. Add useful details. Use connecting words. Practice a little every day, and your writing will improve much faster than you think. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and write one improved sentence in the comments. I'll read it and help you make it even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next English lesson.